I've had this tripod for 3 years and it is my go-to tripod. I've got all the other kinds, like the big tall ones with ring lights on them, the kinds that squish down and fold down to be super compact, but I just keep coming back to this guy that can do all the crazy leg things, which I actually really appreciate because I can get it really low or make it really tall. Supposedly, it comes with a remote and a couple of other pieces. These are the only pieces I have left. I fully admit I've lost all the other stuff, but it doesn't seem to matter. I keep coming back to this piece with just this guy, and this guy expands and is really tight when it hugs the phone or a camera. So I use this for both phones and for cameras, like the sporty waterproof camera that everybody loves. This guy has a little ball and joint thing so it can swivel around. You can hook it on like this or hook it on like this. So you can have your phone or camera pointing straight down so you can get a nice downward sky view of things. Crazy impressive. And like I said, 3 years later, still works good. The legs have not worn out. If anything, I feel like they're even better. Still very stable. And as you can see, my camera's wiggling a little bit. That's because I'm using a different tripod that's nice and small, the kind that can go into your wallet. And it's just not as good. It's not. It's weird not using this. It's weird talking about this rather than using it to talk about something else. Highly recommend. So buy with confidence, knowing that you're getting something that is actually worth it. It's just a little too user-friendly. You can get it down in the description below. I also linked it in the comments because you know what? Why not? Have fun with it.